Hey there, health champions. Are you ready to transform your mornings, ignite your metabolism, and unlock incredible energy? Whether you're a dedicated health enthusiast, just starting your fitness journey, watching your weight, or a busy professional juggling it all, this video is for you. Get ready to discover 5 game-changing morning habits that will set you up for a day of fat-burning success and vibrant energy. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk hydration. As soon as your feet hit the floor, grab a big glass of water. Aim for 16 to 30 ounces to instantly jumpstart your metabolism and flush out toxins. This simple act signals to your body that it's time to wake up and get to work. Consider adding a splash of apple cider vinegar or a sprinkle of chia seeds. These little power-ups can further enhance fat burning and support digestion. It's a refreshing way to kick off your internal engine and prepare for a day of vitality. Next, step into the morning light. Exposing yourself to natural sunlight within 30 minutes of waking is a powerful hack. It helps reset your circadian rhythm, which is crucial for regulating sleep, energy, and even hunger hormones. This natural light exposure turns off melatonin, making you feel more alert and boosting your metabolic rate. It's like a natural energy drink, signaling to your body that it's daytime and time to be active and burn calories. Pair that glorious sunlight with some gentle movement. Think stretching, a slow walk, or mindful breathing exercises. Just 10 minutes can make a huge difference. This isn't about a grueling workout. It's about waking up your muscles and mind. Gentle movement increases circulation, reduces stiffness, and prepares your body to burn fat efficiently throughout the day. It's the perfect way for fitness beginners to ease in and for busy pros to find a moment of calm. Now, let's talk breakfast, your body's essential fuel. Make it a high-protein powerhouse, packed with healthy fats and fiber-rich foods. Aim for at least 30 grams of protein to keep you feeling full, curb cravings, and prevent muscle breakdown. This isn't just about calories, it's about sustained energy and satiety. A balanced breakfast fuels your brain and body, helping you make smarter choices all day long and keeping your fat-burning furnace stoked. Finally, let's talk strategy. Take a few minutes the night before to reflect and prepare. This simple habit reduces morning stress and sets a positive tone. Try the 3x3 journaling practice. List 3 things you're grateful for, 3 wins from your day, and 3 areas for improvement tomorrow. This practice keeps your mindset positive and growth-focused, empowering you to tackle your goals with clarity and confidence. Planning ahead means less decision fatigue and more energy for what truly matters. There you have it. 5 incredible morning habits to ignite your fat-burning potential and skyrocket your energy. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips, and share it with a friend who needs a morning boost. Let's build healthier, happier lives together.